Have you ever wondered what decisions today will shape your world in 20 years? In this video, we reveal the crucial choices that could define your future success or failure. Don't miss out on understanding how these decisions can transform your life. Watch to discover what could happen if you ignore these insights.
Be sure to hit subscribe and let's get started!
Number 1. Maximize early decisions. Time over money. For instance, consider how a young Steve Jobs spent his free time attending lectures at Reed College, which eventually led to the birth of Apple. Prioritizing skill acquisition, knowledge, and expertise during these formative years can pivot a person from mere survival to thriving success. Number 2. Self-discovery. Uncover and own your identity. Understanding and embracing who you truly are can significantly impact life's trajectory. Take the story of Ellen DeGeneres, who, after coming out in a time of widespread prejudice, embraced her true self and propelled her career to new heights, becoming an icon in the entertainment industry and an advocate for LGBTQ rights. This identity alignment acts as a shield against incompatible life choices, enhancing personal happiness. Number 3. The high value of hard skills. In today's economic landscape, certain skills are more lucrative and valued than others. For example, software engineering and data analysis are prized for their direct impact on modern business operations. These skills offer tangible outputs that companies value highly, unlike softer skills which, while important, do not translate as directly into economic value. Mike, who chose to pursue a degree in medical studies over more general studies such as history, secured a position at a major medical sales firm. His specialized skill set not only offered a higher starting salary, but also greater job security compared to peers with more generalized degrees. Number 4. Comfort at the edge of discomfort. True growth occurs just outside the comfort zone. Consider athletes like Serena Williams, whose rigorous and often uncomfortable training schedules pushed her to achieve extraordinary success in tennis. This principle holds that minor pressures and challenges are necessary catalysts for improvement and mastery. Lisa always avoided public speaking due to fear, but when promoted to a managerial role, she faced her fear to lead team meetings effectively. This discomfort pushed her to develop a key leadership skill that enhanced her career trajectory. Number 5. Leverage your natural strengths. Focusing on natural talents can lead to exceptional performance and satisfaction. Warren Buffett turned his early interest in finance and remarkable talent for understanding markets into one of the most successful careers in investment history. Rather than struggling against their innate dispositions, individuals should capitalize on their inherent strengths. Tom, a natural at graphic design, decided to focus solely on this skill. By freelancing and creating his design agency, he capitalized on his talent, outperforming competitors who lacked his natural inclination and passion for design. Number 6. Relocate for richer opportunities. Physical relocation can dramatically enhance career and personal opportunities. This was true for tech giants like Google and Apple, which started in Silicon Valley, where their proximity to resources and like-minded professionals fueled their growth. Being in a vibrant, dynamic environment facilitates networking and opportunities not available remotely. Emma relocated from a small town to a metropolitan city where her career in digital marketing flourished due to higher demand for her skills and networking opportunities that were absent in her hometown. Number 7. Build lasting value, not just trends. Long-term dedication to a craft leads to mastery and enduring success, as seen in the careers of artisans like George Nakashima, whose furniture designs became timeless through decades of honing his craft. Number 8. Choosing life partners wisely. The impact of choosing the right partner is profound, as seen in the partnership of Barack and Michelle Obama, whose mutual support and shared values helped shape their contributions to society. A partner profoundly influences personal development and success. Nate and Lindsay met working at an animal shelter and aligned their life goals and values from the start. Their supportive relationship played a pivotal role in each other's professional and personal growth, exemplifying the impact of a compatible partner. Number 9. The liberation of debt-free living. Being debt-free offers financial and psychological freedom, exemplified by individuals who aggressively pay off debt early in life, enabling them to make choices based on desire rather than necessity, such as pursuing a dream job or retiring early. After inheriting a small debt-ridden family business, Anna prioritized clearing all debts within 5 years. This decision freed up capital for reinvestment and innovation, leading to the company's exponential growth. Number 10, early financial independence. Starting to solve financial challenges early sets a foundation for lifelong security. This approach is typified by young entrepreneurs like Mark Zuckerberg, whose early decisions to fund and expand Facebook led to unprecedented financial independence. At 25, Raj invested in a small startup instead of spending frivolously. This early investment paid off significantly as the startup's value skyrocketed, providing him financial stability much earlier than his peers. Number 11, pushing personal boundaries, testing personal limits can lead to unexpected success. J.K. Rowling, who once lived on welfare, pushed beyond her perceived limits to write and publish the Harry Potter series, dramatically changing her life and the literary world. Chloe, who never saw herself as a leader, reluctantly accepted a project management role at her firm. This role revealed her innate ability to lead and manage large teams, a skill she developed and honed over time. Number 12, making thoughtful sacrifices. Life is about trade-offs. Prioritizing what truly matters can lead to fulfilled living, much like successful entrepreneurs who sacrifice short-term comforts for long-term gains, embodying the essence of strategic sacrifice for greater rewards. Candace chose to sacrifice weekend outings to learn AI programming online. This decision, though tough, landed her a role in a cutting-edge technology firm, far outpacing her social peers in career advancement. Number 13, the power of rest and recharge, acknowledging the need for rest as demonstrated by high-performing athletes like LeBron James, who integrates rigorous training with equally strict rest protocols, highlights the necessity of balance in sustaining peak performance. Mike, a seasoned entrepreneur, schedules regular sabbaticals to disconnect and recharge, which he credits for his sustained creativity and success in running multiple businesses. Number 14, maintaining a forward-looking perspective. Adopting a forward-looking approach in life's outlook can determine personal and professional success. Optimists like Richard Branson often overcome setbacks and achieve great successes due to their positive and proactive attitude. Despite numerous failures, Nick's optimistic outlook kept him resilient in the face of setbacks, eventually leading to the successful launch of his own eco-friendly apparel brand. Number 15, mastery of a craft. Achieving a high level of skill in a particular area can provide profound satisfaction and recognition. Chefs like Gordon Ramsay, who have perfected their culinary skills, experience not only commercial success, but also a deep personal gratification from their craft. Sophia spent years refining her pastry-making techniques, which led to her winning a national baking competition and subsequently opening a chain of successful patisseries. Intrigued by the idea of a lifestyle filled with financial freedom? Subscribe to our channel where we dive deeper into effective strategies for achieving financial independence, life hacks that can change the trajectory of your entrepreneurial journey, and the surprises that might shock you along the way. Thanks for joining us.